Hi all. In this video, I'll be speaking to you about sadness and crying and weeping and how to deal with that, and is it really fine if I cry? These are the questions where few of my students had few questions, and few people also they have such questions in their mind. Is it fine to cry in front of people? Is it fine to show that sadness in front of people? And is it fine to basically cry in front of people? Exactly. Here I have few questions and which you have to answer. Yes, my first question is, there are many people who say that it's not good to cry. Is it good to cry? Is it fine to cry? Yes, it's fine to cry unless and until you feel better or about it. There are few people who cry for everything. That's not what I'm telling. You have to cry, you have to sit and cry for everything. And there are few people who say you should not cry in front of people. These are the opinion, or these are the things what they have in their mind, and they the parents also say you should not cry. You're not a small girl or small boy to cry anymore. You should not cry. You should not show that you are weak. Actually, people have that notion that crying shows that you're weak. These are the thoughts they have in their mind when they cry. Recently, I also cried. I wept in front of a person, and the person said, "Come on, you should not cry. Control yourself. You should not cry now." And I said to the person replying, "I feel better when I cry, and I'm really feeling fine when I cry, and I am crying. I'm fine with that." And I cried for 5-10 minutes, I think, and I felt really better. And another person said, "How can you cry? You're the counselor. You should not cry. You're grown up now." And it's not fine to cry. This is what she said. And I said, it's fine to cry. And I felt really better to cry. And before a counselor or before anything, I am a human. And humans have emotions. And emotion, also in emotion, there is a cry, there is a sadness, which is very important. And if I ignore it, it will trouble me and it will give me more of problems in my life. This is how I answer to that person. Because anyone, it can be, if they really feel to cry, it's fine to cry. And there are few people who are not comfortable crying in front of others. That is also fine, but you cannot control it, and you cannot say I should stop now, I should ignore it. No. For them who are not, feeling good about it, they can ask a minute of permission from anyone around you, and you can go to the restroom and or washroom and cry there and wash your face and come back. This is the thing I can suggest you if you really are not feeling comfortable crying in front of people. And there is another question that, now I cried, they regret about it. Why did I cry? I cried in front of that person, and that person will think that I'm weak now, and what I was, that is not me anymore, and people will judge me, people will think I'm weak, and people will do that, do this, and people will take advantage because I cried in front of them. These are the questions they get when they cry. No, actually, crying is your personal problem which you have dealt with in a right way. You've vent it out. And you should not feel regret, or you should not feel weak about it, and you should not feel that you're not having that power anymore in you. Actually, crying helps you to get more and more power inside you. It gives a lot of clarity. There are a lot of benefits when you really cry, where it is needed to cry. I'm not saying you should cry for everything. If you don't get this, if you don't get that, you have to cry. This is not the thing what I'm saying. It's a strong emotion, and if you really feel better doing it, you have to do it. And you should not feel regret about it. You should, especially boys, a stereotype thought also will come here. Girls can cry and boys should not cry. Come on, all are humans, and humans can cry. It's an emotion, and you should feel comfortable about it. So these questions my students had, and few people also had about crying thought, and I have tried to answer that in this video. If any questions you have, please ask me. I'm here to answer. I'm trying again to say that it's fine to cry until and unless you are genuine with that. For everything, do not cry, but for few things, if you feel better doing it, you can do it. And don't take advantage. Oh, if I cry, this will, people will, I can gain attention and I can gain sympathy. That's cheating yourself. So please understand the difference between the fake cry and the real cry. If the real cry comes in you, And if you feel to do it, do it. Thanks for watching my video. If any questions you have, you can ask me. Please share, subscribe, and like my video. Thanks.